Hello violin players, welcome to Prime Strings. My name is Henriette and this lesson is all about Lighthouse, and that is number 7 in your Tetratunes book. So let me play it for you. As you will have noticed, I'm using the whole bow for every note of this piece. And when you play the whole bow, you want to make sure that whenever you play down bow, so your bow goes in that direction, you stretch your bow arm forwards. So I'll show you how to do that. At the end of my bow stroke, my hand is straight in front of me here, right there. If I'm not doing it right, and my arm goes sideways, you see this time I've ended up about here with my arm, and that's not where I want to go. I want to go straight in front. So will you join me, and we're going to really focus on those straight bows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretching your arm forwards. That sounded lovely. Now this time we're going to think about your bow hold, and I want you to check over for me that your thumb is bent underneath, that your middle finger is opposite your thumb, and that your index finger and your pinky are like this, with a space between here and a space there, and your pinky is round and on the side edge of your bow. So I'll give you a moment to sort that out. So make sure your fingers are not on top like that, but they've gone really nicely over. That's it. Shall we play Lighthouse one more time? So my left hand holds the violin here because I don't need my fingers, so you can hold it there. So let's get ready on the D string. Place your bow at the heel, and now remember we're stretching our arm forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome playing, very well done. Now I'm hoping that you're going to be learning this piece from memory, ready for your next lesson. So I want you to play it at least 3 times over every day, so that by the end of the week you know this piece from memory. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.